Hey guys, Sheila here from Mediavandals. It is Tuesday, 1:30 p.m. About a week ago, I bought a webcam. It is the webcam that I am recording this video from right now. It is the Logitech C922 Web Stream Cam. Now, I'm recording this on Zoom. I am not sure how the recording is going to turn out until I actually finish it and upload it to YouTube. My biggest quandary has been trying to get this darn thing to actually record a decent video. I've tried a bunch of softwares. I've tried OBS. I've tried, let's take a look here, the standard Logitech camera settings. I've tried the beta version of Logi Capture. And for some reason, this HD 1080p webcam, I just cannot seem to get a good quality video feed out of it. Now, if I open my blinds, the light will just wash out the entire picture. You can see right here behind me, these blinds, they are super, super white. And if you look at my video from yesterday or the day before or wherever I was sitting here shooting a video, I was using my Google Pixel phone, and you could see these blinds clearly. They weren't all washed out the way they are in this video. They were nice and clear. So today's video is more of a cry for help more than anything. If somebody out there knows anything about Logitech cameras and Macbook Pro, can you please leave me a comment down below and let me know what I'm doing wrong? I'm at the point where I'm ready to send this camera back and try something else. I just cannot seem to get a good 1080 picture that looks decent and isn't all washed out when lights are on. Really want this thing to work. Logitech, if you are seeing this video, please tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I'm ready to get my money back and look for something else. I'm getting super frustrated at how much I've had to play with this camera. It was fun at first, but now I'm getting pissed off. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, please leave me a comment down below, and we will see you back here for business tomorrow. Cheers.